Hello students, this is Sinaraj from Department of Mathematics. Today we discuss about the topic mathematical induction method. So this method is used for you can verify, that is you can prove that some statement are true or false. Some statement, any statements are given, the statement is true or false, you can use to prove that mathematical induction method. So what is mean by mathematical induction method? Some statements are given. Some statement P of n is given. P of n is any statement. You can prove that this statement is true or false. There are three basic steps. So first one is you can prove that P of 1 is true. This is based first step. You can prove that P of 1 is true. And second one is you can assume that P of k is true. So this is assumption. Assume that P of k is true. This is second step. And third one is P of k plus 1 is also true. We can use three steps. Some statement P of n is given. We can use three steps. The P of n is true or false. So this is the induction method. So now you can solve this some problem. So what is the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10? So this is nothing but there is some 10 numbers are given. We can add 1 by 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, up to 10. We can get some number is 55. Okay. So this is finite numbers are given. Finite number means only 10 numbers are given. Suppose I do one another problem. What is the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus up to 1000? So definitely some values exist, but you can solve this problem. You can have lot of times. I introduced one other formula. We can use that formula. You can find the sum of the first n natural number. So this is for the first 1000 natural number. If you solve this type of problem, you can use one formula. The formula is sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. We can use this formula. You can find the sum of the first n natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is some statement. We can use mathematical induction method. This statement is true or false. Okay? We can prove that the statement sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. We prove that we can use induction method. The induction method is, there are three steps. So first one is P of 1 is true, and second one is you can assume that P of k is true, and third one is P of k plus 1 also true. So the P of n. So P of n is given statement is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So first one is first step, basic step. To prove that P of 1 is true. So P of 1 is nothing but first term of the statement. So first term is 1. That is 1 equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2. That is replace n equal to 1. is equal to 1 into 2 by 2. Cancel the term. It is 1 equal to 1. So left hand side equal to right hand side. But therefore P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. So you can prove that basic step. Second step is assume that P of K is true. What is the statement? P of K is nothing but that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to K is equal to, so up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2, up to K is K into K plus 1 by 2. You can assume that this statement is true. Third one is to prove that P of K plus 1 is true. That is to prove that sum of 1 plus 2 plus up to K plus 1 is equal to, up to K is K into K plus 1 by 2, up to K plus 1 is K plus 1 into K plus 2 by 2. So already we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to K is K into K plus 1 by 2. So therefore 1 into 2 into 3 up to K plus K plus 1 is equal to, up to K is, already we assume that K into K plus 1 by 2. This is nothing but K into K plus 1 by 2 plus K plus 1. Take LCM. LCM is 2 K into K plus 1 plus 2 into K plus 1. So take K plus 1 is common, take outside. But K plus 1 into K plus 2 by 2. This is nothing but P of K plus 1. But therefore P of K plus 1 is true. Therefore by principles of mathematical induction method, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This statement is true. This is the induction method. Okay, thank you.